Today, we're gonna be making mushroom and sausage risotto. First, you'll dice half an onion, like so. Then we're gonna chop a handful of shiitake mushrooms and 2 sweet Italian sausages. Neato! Now we're gonna create a sofrito by sauteing our onions in 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. Once our onions are ready, add the sausage and the mushrooms. Now, we're gonna toast 2 cups of arborio rice, but don't let it burn. Add 2 cups of dry white wine. We used Pinot Grigio, about 2 tablespoons of butter, and a generous pinch of salt or 2. Stir until the butter melts and the wine has mostly evaporated. The wine flavor in the final product shouldn't be very pronounced. It's gonna help us bind our butter and broth in order to obtain the perfect creamy texture. Add in about 2 cups of broth, lower the heat, and keep on stirring. As the rice soaks up the broth, gradually stir in 1.5 more cups until the rice is fully cooked. Increase the heat to high and stir vigorously until your risotto is at peak creaminess. Sprinkle on some Parmesan or Grano Padano and you've got yourself some risotto.